So we about to do a little cruise. We gonna meet at the restaurant, the Novelist restaurant.
It's called camera moment. Sorry.
Alright, we on our way to the meet now. I'm not gonna stay too long. I'm probably gonna stay till like 8 o'clock because I have to get up tomorrow for work. But we all out here. It's only like a few people showed, but I'm gonna show you in a minute. Hold on.
That coupe cruising music, probably rolling with like 2 cuties. Windows down, rolling up, disregarding the rules. Usually riding to the after party, really trying to get it in.
Spend a couple grand, still claiming a couple hundred fans. Couple hundred fans, a couple hundred fans. Your profit, don't die, getting while the beats knocking trees. By the keys, proper ripping while my peeps watching 100,000 views. Loosely scribble, scratched and nibble dabs. Moving in the city to a new pad, away from mom and dad. No patrolling, this ain't street watch. Blaze the water beaker, Benny Siegel claim the weed spot. Spin the tiger treads and cheap reaper while police watch. This potent lacking older, so it's motherfuck police dogs. I'm rolling.
It's that coupe cruising music, probably rolling with like 2 cuties. Windows down, rolling up, disregarding the rules. Usually riding to the after party, really trying to get it in.
Spend a couple grand, still claiming a couple hundred fans. Once again I'm rolling, this potent I'm token, probably stolen. Written as a black, they keep on folding in front of my eyes. Time to coincide, realizing what's inside and playing like no minder. This my rock, they keep on wasting my time. But now it's back up on this business. You bitches worry about kisses while I'm moving the digits, painting pictures, something radical, emphatical. But y'all ain't moving cause your goons is just like Goonies, y'all lacking goals. I'm in the need to know, speakers blow, no need to boast. Anything achievable and reachable, so speak it slow. I need a toast, raise your glass to the motherfucking people who hate. Looking back now we smile, cause the shit that we made, we great.
It's that coupe cruising music, probably rolling with like 2 cuties. Windows down, rolling up, disregarding the rules. Usually riding to the after party, really trying to get it in.
Spend a couple grand, still claiming a couple hundred fans.
Supremacy, supremacy. Lame ass, fraud ass, bitch ass, weirdos. Wanna be us, wanna be us. Hey, every time we come, we fuck the scene up. Hosted with my bros, throwing the team up. 100 deep, hell yeah, we up. Never heard of you, but I know you seen us. So don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. We don't need nobody, bitch, we got us. See, we on a different level. We keep moving like a bike and the feet is on the pedals. When it comes to bitches, I'm gon' need a several. I like smart bitches who get stupid brain like your mental. Switch flows, supremacy to the dome, to the tempo. I don't fuck with you pretty hoes. If I do, I swear to God, you won't let go. I'ma tell you like this, what I say I really mean. New money, same bros, I'll never switch up on the team. We doing different things, but I'm the same bro, headed to the motherfucking green. If you ain't talking money, what the fuck do you mean? Don't speak, cross the line, you gon' see a fucking beat. Cause we don't really play, don't play. I'm about the cream, never about the fame, about the fame. When you round us, watch what you say, what you say. Cause my killers don't show pity and they don't tolerate you lames. Every time we come, we fuck the scene up. Hosted with my bros, throwing the team up. 100 deep, hell yeah, we up. Never heard of you, but I know you seen us. So don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come come around if you not us.
Why?
We don't need nobody, bitch, we got us.
Yeah, cake, I ain't discriminate. They wanna eat and boy, grab a plate. You wanna shine, well, get ready, cause you about to go through them dark days like cold nights on your own. Outcast still like Al Capone. Say a prayer, no Alamo, cause them ammo clips turn edible. When that sun sets, the full moon ain't turning back like who could I turn to? Love to, don't think you two gon' fall through, but I'ma come through, show you that I never give a damn about what you butter player when you hating in the bleachers with your bitch on my lap, digging my tax, running the train, killing them tracks, asking my name, tell her it's me. That bitch you drop down like a church to your knees, give you the D, give you the D. Damn, I just killed this motherfucking verse. Thinking that I'm playing, I'ma go berserk. I just grab a couple bottles, then I hit the bricks and study all these motherfuckers till my mind shook. Gone.
Every time we come, we fuck the scene up. Hosted with my bros, throwing the team up. 100 deep, hell yeah, we up. Never heard of you, but I know you seen us. So don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. We don't need nobody, bitch, we got us. Don't you come around if you not us. My boys for the crown, you can't top us. Everything we do, they want a copycat. Till that shotty blast, body bags, copy that. Posted with the team deep in the function. See him mugging like he thuggin', he ain't about nothing. He ain't about that life, he ain't really about that life. Cause for my hood, my team and my pride, I will sacrifice. Living life like every night, stunting hard, trying to pull hoes. From the east side where I reside to the A-bar, but no pool though. I'm with the homies and you know we up to trouble. We tryna hustle, get that paper, make it double. We don't fuck with weirdos, we don't fuck with lames. My whole team is here though, so fuck what you claim. We don't fuck with weirdos, we don't fuck with lames. My whole team is here though, so fuck what you claim. Every time we come, we fuck the scene up. Posted with my bros, throwing the team up. 100 deep, hell yeah, we up. Never heard of you, but I know you seen us. So don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. Don't you come around if you not us. We don't need nobody, bitch, we got us. We be like mic check 1 2. We be like mic check 1 2. Microphone killers caught us homicide. Another Asian rap group ain't as hot as mine. I'm busy on my shit, ain't really got no time. Too busy focused on beats, bars, and dollar signs. Fuck up out my face with all that bullshit. My
Alright. That was Go ahead on down. Let's go. Button down. Somebody put the batteries. Come on, man. You might as well keep going. Holy shit! Get down here! Alright, break the hole! Break the hole! Break the hole! Break the hole! I think Somebody got to man. No, I'm done.
What's up? Yo, the last car meet wasn't even fucking playing. I was just like, they going, fuck it, I'm going. But had a great time. But everybody there from Ambitious Whips was cool and dope as fuck. So shout out to them and everything. The homie left, so damn. But I'm about to end it. These fucking people outside watching me and shit. And then I can't do it inside because it's loud in there now, because my brother's staying with us for a little bit till they get the heater fixed or something. But anyway, I'm out. Have a great day, great night.